Okay, guys, so. Oh, goodness. No, goodness. Okay, I'm gonna back to my island. No, I don't want your stuff. I don't want your stuff, dude. Okay, so, Skydive just hit, and I was gonna. Okay, I was gonna see if I could grab some loot. I got some stuff. And then, start recording when I saw a person. So, yeah, it's nice. Let's kill this thing. Got some loot. It's cool. That's good. Okay. And also, I went to my island so I could do this so I could get more money from turning these into blocks instead of just selling them as ingots. Who sent off? I'm not going down there. Who sent off? Mortal Pleb is gonna get that. I believe in Mortal Pleb. I can do it. Hey. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go to the market, and then I'm gonna sell my blocks. Okay, let's go ahead and sell my stuff. So I'm probably gonna sell my coal too. Boom, boom. Over here, 10 blocks of diamond. Oh, that's good. No, it did. Yeah, 2,500. No. No. She was just selling everything on the place. No, I don't have a rank, so I'm sorry. Let's keep going. Is there anything in here good? It's Titan, and that's definitely worth $1 million. Saver 4. No, it's not worth $1 million. It's not worth, like, if you, like, calculate it, you should not worth that. Okay, I'm actually gonna try out some public islands today. Oh, and also, this is my, I forgot to mention this in the beginning. This is my first, this is my first video, so I'd like you guys all to like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video. I don't know. Those, opening those, hit those. 100k? Are you serious? 80k, not worth 10, yeah, 100k, true. Buried treasure for golds, okay. Oh my god, books and tools. Tools and books and tools. 5 years. Okay. Got plot 3 and I'm right here. Why are you selling those? I don't know, buddy. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Wanna check something in my baby mini weekend? And yes, oh my goodness, it is. You guys are gonna see me going back and forth into this island. I will love this. place. This is good. This is good. Very good. Very good. The looter. Oh, price leader. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so good though. Oh, grinding looter. Faster in a second. Oh my goodness, no one noticed these zombies. If people notice that. Gonna say This is my big moneymaker right here, the looter job. Never noticed about it. I thought some of this stuff was better. One thing I thought was really good, it really just wasn't, was the ogre boats. Those, like those, are so really bad. Are people on here than usual? Goodness, blocks. I'm not really sure some of this sells, like the pumpkin and the torch. That's why I'm only buying one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and go to market, and I'm gonna check it out. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna head over to market. Oh goodness. So I'm gonna use first. And I sell all my wheat, my carrots, my potatoes, my golden potatoes, my split potatoes. That was 1,457. Okay, so I go here. I can't sell mushrooms here. I sell my seeds here. That's 1,385. This is where you sell your mushrooms. Okay, sell all your mushrooms. 6,000. Oh wait, can you not buy paprika? Then I'm gonna go over to you since I got to sell iron. Also, the torch. Can you sell the torch? No, you can't. Okay, iron. Only 330 for 11 iron. Okay, so 10 blocks of gold. And 1,800. Oh yeah. Mob drop merchant. This is gonna be the big money maker. So the top is actually 6,000. That's 12,000 from the gold blocks, and I think they're gonna win actually. I can't be sure. Why did I get that first? Okay, I don't know. Oh. Okay, let's go back to the island. Let's check out what I got, and then I probably will end the episode. Okay, there's an extra box up there. Oh, item entry. Okay. I will see you guys next video. And I hope you all have a wonderful time. And I hope you do good. I'll see you in the next video.